Hello, I'm First Alert Meteorologist David Reese on your side with your Monday afternoon forecast for WRBL.com, and we are looking at a rather active couple of days across the southeast. So let's hop right to the forecast, and the activity starts later this afternoon. Anytime you start to see a computer model spit out things like this, these little individualized pockets of yellows, oranges, and reds like you're seeing all the way from Kentucky through Tennessee, northwest Alabama, back through Mississippi, that's a computer model picking up on the potential for stronger thunderstorms, what we call supercells. And what those are, very strong storms, very strong storms capable of producing tornadoes, hail, and damaging winds. So the whole gamut is thrown at you. Well, as we go into tonight and early Tuesday morning, we are talking about those supercells kind of combining into one line. In other words, a squall line. That means we could see some stronger thunderstorms roll on through here early Tuesday morning. We're talking about between 4 to say 9, 10 a.m. Winds are going to be the primary threat. Isolated tornadoes are also a possibility. Now, if you were with me, say yesterday, you heard me talk about, all right, can the atmosphere kind of recover or re-energize Tuesday afternoon? And right now, we are forecasting a little bit more sunshine Tuesday afternoon, and then I'll show you the dew point forecast. That's the other kind of ingredient you need for these thunderstorms to really get going. I'll show you what that does coming up here in just a second, but anytime you start to see these yellows and oranges reappear on the raincast, that means stronger thunderstorms are once again going to be a possibility Tuesday night, sometime after dinner time, extending all the way into the early morning hours of your Wednesday. And then more showers and thunderstorms are possible along the cold front late Wednesday morning and into the Wednesday afternoon before finally everything shifts off to the east Wednesday afternoon. Now, you heard me mention dew points. Well, here you go. It's feeling very summer-like here across the southeast. I mean, anytime you start to see dew points in the mid-70s, that is very summer-like and not good news here in late April, early May. And then notice, I remember I talked about the atmosphere kind of fizzling out a little bit, needing to re-energize itself. Notice dew points down in the low to mid-60s. That's decent, but not all that great. Now, as we go into Monday around 7, 8 o'clock, notice what the dew points do. Back in the low to mid-70s, especially from, say, Interstate 85 south and west of there, southwest of Montgomery. That indicates the atmosphere re-energizing itself, so that it increases the threat for some stronger thunderstorms, and we'll stay in an increased threat for stronger thunderstorms all the way until Wednesday around dinner time before we start to see those dew points finally decrease. The other thing that we haven't really mentioned a whole lot of is the flooding potential. Check out the potential rainfall totals here over the next couple of days through Wednesday. We're talking about area-wide at least 2 to 4 inches. Some locations could pick up as much as 5, maybe 6 inches of rain. And that would indeed put us as the wettest April on record if we see 4, 4.5, 5 inches of rain. So that's something we'll keep a very close eye on. So to sum everything up for you in a nice nutshell and a nice graphic here, Tuesday afternoon, Tuesday night, Wednesday morning, Wednesday around lunchtime, winds are going to be the biggest issue right now. Flooding is also going to be extremely high. Tornadoes in the moderate category, hail also in the moderate category, but the tornado threat may go up just a little bit, especially Tuesday late afternoon and into the evening hours, depending how much the atmosphere is able to re-energize itself. So stay with the First Alert Weather Team, and we'll keep you guys up to date with the latest.